how to fix Facebook shortcut bar not showing or missing. So today in this video I will be showing you how can you fix if the shortcut bar of your Facebook is not showing or it's missing. But before that, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. So the first thing is you need to open up your Facebook and make sure to log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be able to see this interface or various news feeds or posts on Facebook. So at the top you can see right now there is all the shortcuts available on my screen. But if you are unable to find this or if these options are missing, then you need to go to the settings. So for that you need to tap on the 3-bar horizontal line at the right upper corner, and you have to tap on the settings option at the right upper corner, which is right next to search bar. And here you have to scroll a little bit where you'll be able to see the preferences option, under which simply tap on navigation bar and you have to go for customize the bar option. So if all the shortcuts are hidden over here, then they won't be available or it will be missed in the home page or the shortcuts. So you just have to tap on the drop down of the each shortcut that you want to be showed, and if it's hidden then you can go for auto, or you can also pin that, and by doing that it will be available on your shortcut. And after doing that you can go back and check, it will be available over here. If it's there, then congratulations, your problem has been fixed. But if you are still unable to fix the problem, then the simplest thing you can do is you have to go back to your home page and you have to open up your Google Play Store, and you have to tap on the search bar of the upper section and simply search for Facebook. And if any updates are available, then you can simply tap on update and you have to update your Facebook. And by doing that you'll be able to have the feature of having shortcuts on your Facebook homepage. So this is how you fix your problem. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.